this video, we are going to be studying how to write numbers in standard form. Standard form is a way of writing really small or really big numbers. Numbers in standard form are usually written in the form of a times 10 raised to the power n, and a is usually a positive whole number. A is a number between 1 to 9, and a is greater than 0 and a is also less than 10. The power of 10, which is n, can be a positive number or a negative number, and it is always a whole number, not a fraction. We are going to be seeing examples of how to write numbers in standard form. For example, we want to write 2000 in standard form. The first whole number we see in this is 2, so we write 2. To write a number in standard form, we always write times 10. Now, we want to count the number of places the decimal point is going to move to the left to get the power of 10. So let us count together. 1, 2, 3. The decimal point has moved 3 places and has come in between 2 and the first 0. So the power of 10 is 3. 10 raised to the power 3 is 1000, and 2 times 1000 will give us 2000. Another example we want to see is writing 564,000 in standard form. Now, the number we multiply by 10 must be a whole number between 1 and 9. So the whole number we are going to write here is 5, but we have two other numbers, 6 and 4. If we write 56, it is greater than 10. If we write 564, it is also greater than 10. So we write 5.64. 5.64 is between 1 and 9. It is greater than 0 and it is less than 10. To write it in standard form, we write times 10. Now we want to get the power of 10. We count the number of places the decimal point will move to the left. So we count from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the decimal point to come between 5 and 6, 4, it moved 5 places to the left. So the power of 10 is 5. So to write numbers in standard form, we must multiply it by 10. So 564,000 written in standard form is 5.64 times 10 raised to the power 5. It is easy, right? Yes. Another example we are going to see, we want to write 46 in standard form. If we just write 46 times 10, 46 is greater than 10. But the whole number we want to write must be between 1 and 9. So we write 4, but we have another number 6, so we put a decimal point and write 4.6. Now, to write a number in standard form, we must multiply by 10. How do we know the number of decimal places the decimal point has moved? From here going to the left, we have 1 place. So the power of 10 is 1. So to write 46 in standard form, we write 4.6 times 10 raised to the power 1. 10 raised to the power 1 is 10, and 4.6 times 10 will give us 46. Another example we are going to see is a really small number which is less than 0. The power of 10 in writing small numbers in standard form must be negative. Now, the first number we have seen here, which is a whole number, is 4. So we write 4 times 10. How do we get the power of 10? The decimal point moves to the right. So let us count the number of places the decimal point will move to the right. Let us count together: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because this number is less than 0, the power of 10 will be a minus, and the decimal point has moved 4 places to the right, so the power of 10 will be minus 4. So 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 4 will give us 0.0004. I know it is easy. Let us look at another example. To write 0.00001 in standard form, the first number we have seen here is 1. So we write 1, we write times 10 as we usually write in standard form. Now to get the power of 10, we move the decimal point to the right. So we move it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 places. So the power of 10 will be minus 5. Remember, minus is because this number is less than 0. So to write 0.00001 in standard form, it is 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 5. Another example we are going to see of a really small number is 0.00503. The first whole number we have seen in this number is 5, so we write 5. But there is another number, 3. So we put a decimal point and write 0.03. Remember, if we just write 503, it is greater than 9 and also greater than 10. If we write 5.0, what of the 3 there? So we write 5.03. And as usual, we write our times 10. Now, to get the number of places the decimal point has moved, to get the power of 10, we count together 1, 2, and 3. Because we have written 5.03 and the decimal point has moved 3 places to the right, this number is less than 0. So the power of 10 will be minus 3. It is easy, right? So that is how we write really small numbers like 0.00503 in standard form.